Hi everyone, my name is Miss Essie and I am your play ranger here in the land of Jungu. Hello, hello, hello to you, Dolly. Hello, hello. Today I feel so jolly. Hello, hello. And how do you do? Hello, hello. Welcome to the land of Jungu. I'm so glad you joined me today. There is so much to hear and see and do. Let's play. I hear something. Can you hear it? Ooh. Ooh. It sounds like a vroom vroom sound. Ooh. Ooh. It sounds like a fly buzzing. Ooh. A vroom vroom buzzing sound? Ooh. That's fun to do. That feels silly on my lips. Ooh. I feel vibration. Can you try? Great job. Ready? Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3. I like that sound. That's a silly sound. Okay, well, gee, what do I see? I look up, I look down, I look all around. I see my friend, the firefly. Hello, Vivi the firefly. Say hi, Vivi. Oh, I see a van. I see a violin. I see ribbon. And I see baking soda. All right, let's play. We'll figure it all out. Friends, I'd like you to meet my friend, Vivi the firefly. Hi, Vivi. Oh, Vivi, this is your favorite sound, the vroom, vroom, firefly buzzing sound. Wow, it makes my lips vibrate. Oh, well, actually, only my bottom lip. My top teeth go over my bottom lip. And then I use my voice to explode. Ready? Let's try. Oh, Vivi, you do that so great. I like that. Oh, Vivi is buzzing. She's buzzing on a van. Vivi, that's fun. Well, would you like to sing a song? I know I would. Great, let's sing. Put top front teeth over bottom lip. Explode your voice when you blow from the hip. The vroom vroom sound is strong and fast, and fireflies make a buzz that lasts. Hey, I like that song. Can we sing that again? Yeah, let's sing that again. Ready? Put top front teeth over bottom lip. Explode your voice when you blow from the hip. The vroom vroom sound is strong and fast, and fireflies make a buzz that lasts. Hey, I like that song. Did you? I'm so glad. All right, Vivi. Well, you brought us a van. Can we play with the van? Okay. I want to play with my van. You ready? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Wow, my van can go. Hey, it makes the vroom, vroom, vroom sound. Ready, set, go! Ready, set. You say it. Go! Vroom, vroom, stop. I like playing go and stop. Are you ready? Let's try that again with our van. Are you ready? Ready, set, go! Vroom, 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 stop. Yay, I like that. Now, let's make our vroom, vroom sound loud and soft. We can change the volume of our voice. You ready? Vroom! Hey, that's a loud voice. Now, let's give a quiet voice. Vroom. That's nice and soft. Let's try it again. Ready? You can make your voice really loud, and then you can make your voice really quiet. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Vroom! Stop. Ready? Let's go quiet. 1, 2, 3. Vroom! Hey, that was really quiet. I like playing with my voice. Can you do that? Vroom! Ready? We'll make our vroom vroom firefly buzzing sound loud, and we'll make it really, really quiet. We'll change the volume of our voice. Ready? Vroom! You try. Oh, I love it. You did that so great. That was so valuable. It's valuable to learn how to use our voice in different situations. When we're out and about playing in the park, we can use a loud voice. And when we are listening to a grown-up or we're watching our friends play and trying to learn something, maybe even at school, we want to use a quiet voice. I like playing with my voice. Do you? Yay! Okay, Van, I think it's time to vroom vroom out of here. Ready, set, go! Vroom vroom vroom! Bye for now, Van. That was fun. What's next? Well, I have a violin. A violin? What can we do with a violin? Oh, we need a string. Hey, I know. We can get our tube that helps us to listen to our sound and use that as a string. Are you ready? Great idea. I like inventing ideas. Here we go. Hey, that makes our vroom vroom firefly buzzing sound. Vroom. Let's get our violin. Are you ready? Remember, keep those top teeth over your bottom lip and use your voice. I like making music. Can you make music with me? Great job. Ready? Go ahead, I'll wait. Go get your instrument. You're back. Okay, are you ready? Let's sing our song. Put top front teeth over bottom lip. Explode your voice when you blow from the hip. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The vroom vroom sound is strong and fast, and fireflies make a buzz that lasts. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yay! I like that song. Oh, sure, let's sing it again. Join me, okay? Please sing along with me. It's fun to sing and play the violin. Put top front teeth over bottom lip. Explode your voice when you blow from the hip. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The vroom vroom sound is strong and fast, and fireflies make a buzz that lasts. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yay! That's so much fun! I like my Vivi song. It's Vivi's favorite song, right, Vivi? Yay! Okay, well, bye for now, violin. And thanks for helping me, my tube. That was fun. What's next? Well, let's find out, Vivi. Ribbon? What can we do with the ribbon? Let's see. Hey, I can make my ribbon blow when I make my vroom vroom firefly buzzing sound. Hey, can you get a ribbon? I bet if you make your sound and you use a really loud volume on your voice, you can blow your ribbon too. Ready? Go ahead, go get it. If you don't have ribbon, I bet you can use tissue. That will work, right, Vivi? Yeah, okay. You're back. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, blow! Hey, my ribbon is like a veil. Where did Vivi go? I blew the veil right up of Vivi. Hey, thanks, my red ribbon. Let's get more. I have a blue veil. Oh, Vivi, where are you? Where, oh, where did Vivi go? We're blowing it off. 1, 2, 3. Hey, we blew the veil right off of Vivi. That's fun. Bye-bye, blue veil. Let's try that one more time. I have a purple veil. It's a ribbon, but I'm going to pretend it's a veil. Dun, dun, da, dun, 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 da, dun. I'm making my vroom vroom firefly buzzing sound. Here we go. Hey, I blew my purple veil right off. Whee! That was fun. Can you do that? Yay! It is fun. Okay, let's see what's next. Baking soda. I think we're going to have to go to our science lab. We're going to make something really exciting and really valuable, and I bet it will be victorious. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome, friends. Welcome to my science lab here in Jungu. Well, I see we have some baking soda in a dish. I know what we're going to make. We're going to make a volcano. Yeah, it's fun to make experiments, right? And volcanoes can fizz and buzz just like our vroom vroom firefly buzzing sound. Yay! I'm so excited. Well, we have baking soda in a dish. We need some vinegar in a glass, just a little bit. And I would like to make my vinegar blue. So I'm going to put some blue food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Let's mix, mix, mix. Now our vinegar looks blue. I'm going to take my spoon and pour it on my baking soda and watch it fizz. Ready? Wow! It's fizzing! Wow! It's a volcano erupting! This is fun! I bet you can get a grown-up and try this at home. It's so much fun to make a volcano with vinegar and watch it fuzz and fizz and buzz just like our vroom vroom buzzing firefly sound. Let's try it one more time. I like that. That's fun. I'm so excited. Well, that was a fun experiment. It's time to go back and play some more. Here we go. We're back. Wasn't that fun? I had the best time. There's so much value in science. There's so much value in learning. I feel so vibrant. Hey, that reminds me. It's time for my Love Myself mirror. Oh, hello, Love Myself mirror. Hello, I'm so glad you joined us today. Vivi says hi. I love the way you make me feel. It's time to share all of our feelings with our friends. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I am vibrant. Are you? Yes, you are. I'm vibrant. I'm shining with light and love and life in me. Are you ready? I am vocal. Yes, I'm vocal. I use my voice, and I can make a loud voice or a low voice. I can change my volume, and that's fun. I am valuable. Oh, yes, I am. I'm valuable, and you are too, Vivi, and you are too, my friends. No matter what, you are valuable every day, only because of one reason, just because you were born. That's why you're valuable. There's nothing you need to do special or be special. You're just special. Just because you were born, you are valuable. I am victorious. That's right. We're all victorious because we showed up today and we're winners and we're learning and we're being the best we can be. Each and every day we're being better and better and better. So we are victorious. That makes my lips feel funny. Victorious. I am vital. Yes, you are. You are vital. And so am I. We are very, 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 very important. That's right. You are very, very important. And so am I. And so is Vivi. Well, thank you, my Love Myself mirror, for reminding me how valuable I am. I love you. I love Vivi too. And I love you. Bye for now, Love Myself mirror. Well, my friends, it's time to go. I bet we should sing our song one more time. Do you? Yay, I'm so glad. Put top front teeth over bottom lip. Explode your voice when you blow from the hip. The vroom vroom sound is strong and fast, and fireflies make a buzz that lasts. Yay, I like my song. It's fun to make that silly sound. It feels so silly and vibrating on my lips. It vibrates my voice too. I like that feeling. Yeah, it's fun to make that sound. Well, friends, today I hope that you know you are valuable, and I hope you have a valiant day, a valuable day, and you feel vibrant and vital, and you know that you are victorious and valuable and wonderful and spectacular just because you are. I love you, and I can't wait to see you again real soon. Come back and join us again, okay? Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you, Dolly. Goodbye, goodbye. Today we feel so jolly. Goodbye, goodbye. I will miss you. Goodbye, goodbye. I hope to see you soon in the land of Jungu. Bye for now, friends. And remember, keep vibrating. Yay! Bye-bye. For more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.